Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this. This is by GLOPUS, and it is a Bluetooth beanie cap. So how cool is this? Going skiing soon. Not that I'll be skiing in the dark or anything, but it does have a flashlight. But I might be wearing it when I go out at night and stuff. So here we go. So I got it, and it looks like it's going to charge from USB to USB, micro USB. So there we go. And then here is the beanie hat, and here are the instructions. So the user manual. Not sure there's going to be a whole lot of uses needed. Well, it does talk about pairing it and stuff, so you can kind of see that's how it would be, how it is. But let's check it out. It's kind of a gray one. It says music hat on there. And then here is the light. I just pushed the middle of it for it to turn on. That was pretty bright. And then 3 levels of brightness. And it looks like here from the back, oh yeah, it can come out so you can charge it and whatever you need to do, I guess, from there. Looks like it'll charge just in a USB adapter, and then it kind of fits in there. That's pretty cool. And then here's the Bluetooth part, and I can see in the back there's the little plug, so that's where it would charge. So let's see if we put this on, and we'll try to pair it up. If I put it straight, oh yeah, I can feel it on my ears here. I can try to pair it with my iPad that's over here. So let's see, to turn it on, long press for 2 seconds on this one here. Okay, let me check if I'm doing the right one. I can't even see it. Oh, the minus. Yeah. Oh, you guys probably don't hear it. It says power on pairing, so that's what it said. So let me try to pair it to my iPad. So settings, later. Okay. Sorry, my iPad's wanting to do updates, but let's see. If I go to Bluetooth, I have something here called KS03 with a bunch of other numbers after it. I'm going to assume that this is the headset. Let's see. And it looks like it charges in like 2 hours, and you can use it for like 6 to 8 hours. So that's pretty cool. Actually, I'll be right back in a second. Okay, had I read the instructions, I would see that it is BT01 is the one I'm supposed to connect to. I apparently have a lot of devices in this house, but let me just try to play something here and see how it sounds. I'll let you know in a second. I can't show you guys or do it because it'll end up not being listed. But let's see. I'm just gonna play some random YouTube ad. How about that? Let's see. And I hear it. And let me see how loud this gets. Well, it sounds surprisingly good. I don't know if you guys can hear some of the stuff in the background maybe, but that was what it was. And it is so loud. So this is really cool. So I just have my beanie on with this. I don't have to have any other headphones like usually I would wear, like my AirPods or something, but don't even need those with this. And it is connected, and I can have my light on. So if I'm just out there in the dark or whatever, coming back from skiing, walking around, whatever, I can have some music, have that. I wonder if I could even make a phone call on it. It seems to say you can, I guess, because it says Bluetooth hands-free. It says Bluetooth talk time. So maybe it does do talking. I don't know. I'll never use it for that, so probably won't ever know. But it sounds surprisingly good. I guess it's not really going through, here, I'm gonna take it off for a second. It's not really going through too much of the fabric because it's in the middle. So it's not muffled at all. It's just got a really good sound. So I'm gonna say this is really nice. I'm actually listening to Mark Rober, if you can believe that, on his YouTube. But pretty cool. So I like it. It fits good, definitely warm. So I'm gonna say I like it. So very good. And if I didn't want to have the light on it, I guess I could just take it off. Then it'll have a hole in it. So do it backwards. Then it's just kind of a hat. So it's cool. Thumbs up. Looks good. I like it. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.